The Vector O2 is based on Vicair's exclusive SmartCells technology, which provides the user with a unique combination of high-quality pressure distribution, optimal positioning, and protection of the skin. The Vector O2's open cushion structure ensures 100% breathability and ventilation. Using a breathable cushion improves temperature and humidity control, increases comfort, and reduces the effect of shear and friction on tissue deformation, thereby reducing the risk of pressure ulcers. Another distinctive feature of the Vector O2 is its boxing effect. The cushion has a zip fastening running all the way around, as well as stitching around the midsection, which allows for the cushion to better retain its volume, increasing support and reducing the risk of SmartCells slipping out from under the user. The boxing effect also allows the therapist to adjust the number of SmartCells while the user remains seated on the cushion. The Vector O2 is synonymous with hygiene and convenience. Vicair debuts the world's first anti-decubitus air cushion that is entirely machine washable, without the need for a laundry bag. The SmartCells are kept in place during washing. The O2 Vector comes with a special O2 top cover. This cover, similar to a cap, features a breathable outer layer and covers only the top part of the cushion, leaving the bottom part open, allowing the cushion to continue to breathe and offer optimal ventilation and comfort.